Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. What if I told you that you could create a voice that sounds just like you or anyone else with just a few minutes of audio? Well, thanks to ElevenLabs Voice Cloning, it's totally possible. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use ElevenLabs at the highest quality currently available. Let's go. Right now, ElevenLabs is hands down the go-to choice for voice cloning and synthetic voice creation. Of course, I'll keep an eye out for new tech and update you if anything better comes along. But for now, I can confidently say ElevenLabs delivers some of the best results out there. If you're serious about high-quality voice cloning, like the kind that doesn't sound like a robot stuck in the 90s, then ElevenLabs is a fantastic option. For best quality, you need at least the creator plan to use ElevenLabs clone features. Click the link below for a free trial and special discount. To create a voice clone on ElevenLabs, navigate to the Voices menu in the sidebar and click Add a new voice. ElevenLabs offers both instant and professional voice cloning services to meet different needs and budgets. While Instant Voice Clone offers quick cloning with minimal audio, I recommend using Professional Voice Clone for superior accuracy. Let's proceed to the next step in creating a voice clone. Give your voice clone a reference name and specify the language of your audio samples. Then, upload your source training data. For best results, upload a minimum of 30 minutes and up to 3 hours of high-quality audio, as more data produces a more refined clone. Remember that the resulting voice clone will closely mirror the speaking style of the provided training data. So, if you want it to sound smooth and natural, record yourself reading aloud in a relaxed tone. High-quality voice clones start with clean recordings. No background noise, no static, no weird echoes. If possible, use a good mic, like an XLR mic. I personally recommend the Shure SM7B. It's pricey, but hey, you can always rent one or book a studio session for a bit. Remember, you only need around 2 hours of recorded audio. You can also add an optional voice description, think tone, accent, or special pronunciation quirks. Not a must, but it helps. To prevent impersonation, ElevenLabs only allows you to clone your own voice. You'll need to verify your identity by recording a short voice sample in real time. The system then compares it to your training data. There might be a short wait while ElevenLabs does its thing. Just check the Voices tab to track progress. Once your clone is ready, you can fine-tune it for better performance. ElevenLabs has different models for different use cases. Turbo V2.5 is great for TikToks, short-form content, or quick voiceovers. Multilingual V2 if you need your voice clone to speak multiple languages. While Turbo V2 is ideal for podcasts and longer-form content. The tuning process can take a few hours, depending on the system load, but once it's done, you'll have a highly accurate clone of your voice. Yes, you can make money by letting others use your AI-generated voice, but be careful. Once it's out there, it can be used for anything, and the earnings might not be worth the risk. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.